How to sign up with email on Strava app. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today, I'll be teaching you how to sign up with email on Strava app using your mobile phone. The first thing you need to do is to log on to your Strava app. You open your Strava app on your phone. Then a screen will be displayed where at the lower part of the screen we have two icons. We have join for free icon, then we have login icon. You click on the join for free icon that is just above the login icon. Then you wait for the page to load and another page will be displayed where we have create an account. Then we have the box where you input your email. Then under the box you have another box where you input your password and so on. So what you need to do is to click on the box for inputting the email. Then you input your email address. Then you input your password. You input your password like I am doing here. You input your password. Then after inputting your password, below the box for the password we have the sign up icon. You click on this sign up icon, then you wait for your email to be signed up on your Strava app. So this is simply how to sign up with email on your Strava app. Remember, you open your Strava app, then you click on join for free, then you input your email and your password, then you click on sign up. It's that simple, okay? You can try it out too. Thank you.